mental health struggles are often invisible. You may not even realize how much stress, worry, and negativity you carry with you daily. Over time, this can affect your mood, productivity, relationships, and even your physical health. Many people try to ignore these signs, pushing through their busy days, but it often leads to burnout, anxiety, and depression. The challenge is that most of us don't know how to pause, breathe, and manage our emotions in a way that truly benefits our mental health. The challenge: we live in a society that values constant productivity and multitasking, leaving little room for quiet reflection. The idea of being mindful can feel foreign or even impossible when your mind is constantly racing. So, how do you break the cycle of overwhelm and create space for your mental health? The solution: the secret to managing stress, improving your mood, and boosting your mental health may lie in a simple practice: mindfulness. It's not just about meditation. Mindfulness is the art of being present in the moment, acknowledging your thoughts without judgment, and learning to respond to stress in a healthier way. Here's how you can harness the power of mindfulness to transform your mental health. Start with your breath. Whenever you feel stressed, pause and take a few deep breaths. Focus on the sensation of air moving in and out of your body. This can instantly calm your nervous system and ground you in the present moment. Practice awareness throughout your day. You don't need to carve out hours for mindfulness. Instead, try to stay present during small tasks, eating, walking, or even doing chores. Pay attention to the sensations, sounds, and thoughts you experience as you move through your day. Self-compassion. Mindfulness helps you observe your emotions without judgment. If you're feeling anxious or upset, don't criticize yourself for having these feelings. Instead, acknowledge them and practice self-compassion, reminding yourself that it's okay to feel however you feel. Meditation. While not necessary for everyone, meditation can be a powerful mindfulness tool. Even just 5 to 10 minutes a day can help you center yourself, quiet your mind, and improve your emotional regulation. Mindful listening. When interacting with others, give them your full attention. Instead of planning your response while they're speaking, focus on what they're saying. This practice not only improves relationships but also strengthens your ability to stay present. The takeaway: mindfulness is a simple, effective, and life-changing practice for improving mental health. It doesn't require a lot of time or effort, but its benefits are profound. By being present, practicing self-compassion, and managing your emotions, you can reduce stress, improve your focus, and elevate your mood. So, if you're ready to experience the secret power of mindfulness, start today and see how it transforms your mental well-being. Your mind deserves it.